Welcome back. Today we are going to make a viewer-submitted recipe, Danish Almond Kringle, submitted by Mr. Gregory Cusel
of Ithaca, New York. No, I just love that's a cool city, Ithaca.
We're going to start out with 2 cups of sifted flour. So next you're going to add 1 cup of butter to your 2 cups of flour. And you're going to mix that in by hand. You want to use your warm hands so the butter will melt and meld together with the flour.
What if I have cold hands?
Then no one will ever love you.
Oh man. Okay.
Alright, so now once you've combined that cup of butter into your 2 cups of flour, it's going to be nice and distributed. You shouldn't feel any more chunks. Now you're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. This is the interesting part to me.
What? I measured out?
No, this is about 1 cup.
But you remember what happened when we didn't get the ratio right?
Trust me, folks.
Dennis!
Trust me.
What the?
No,
we have a measuring cup.
Don't worry. So, I'll explain my logic. Yeah, so you're gonna end up with this weird cream.
Hold her steady, Dennis. I'm going max power. I wouldn't call this a ball of dough, but you know.
Yeah. It's gonna get a lot harder in the fridge though, so it'll make it workable.
Harder.
Better.
Faster.
Stronger. Yes! Now cover it and put it in the fridge for 8 hours or overnight. Alright, so I melted a cup of butter, which is 2 sticks of butter. Now I'm gonna add half a cup of sliced almonds to that. Alright, now here's what's gonna make the filling good. 2 cups of brown sugar.
In this case, dark brown sugar.
Does it matter if it's dark or light?
I think it just has more molasses.
Now we're gonna stir this together. Try and get this. Oh my, it's already looking
Delicious.
insane.
Yeah.
Alright, so you may not have seen that, but the first one turned out kind of hideous. So
A Halloween horror.
we're gonna try and add more flour to the mix so that we can hopefully keep it together more.
Alright then. Let's do this.
Alright, if this doesn't work,
Choose your weapon.
I'm done for. Flour everything.
Oh god, there's so much.
Everything!
So much flour. Ooh. Is it just me, or is that cooperating a little bit more?
It is warmer now.
Oh.
Alright, now we're
Wait,
cooking
we
with
gotta
Kringle.
cut, we gotta cut the...
You're right, I got too excited.
Whoa!
You're right again, I got too excited. Alright, so let's say us figure out where we want the center to be. Maybe like there? And there?
Sure. Rough outline, right?
Yeah, but like how much? Oh, only that much for the filling?
Well, I don't know, Dennis. I've never made this before.
I haven't either. Why are you acquiescing to me?
Why are you asking me then? We got a lot of that left.
And that's going right down the hatch.
The leftovers?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. It's so good. It looks so good.
Just work, baby. That's all I'm asking. Alright, now the moment of truth. Oh, I can lift it up! Yes!
Tears stream down your face.
That first Kringle never happened.
Never happened. We literally didn't film it, so... So, this was our first attempt, rest in peace.
No, this is Brenton's Kringle, and this is my Kringle.
Yeah, I'm a good friend, so I will pretend that is mine. So am I?
Ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, 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 go.
Oh!
We're gods! We're gods!
Alright, we got one of them.
It's over! It's over! Cut that!
Now you're gonna add the rest
That's
of your chopped nuts.
Nutty Express. Cleared for landing. Let me get some of those. You'll nut on mine and I'll nut on yours.
Oh my god. He's worse than me. I've rubbed off.
You definitely
Is
have.
this what I sound like?
You definitely have rubbed off, haven't you?
Oh my.
Stop it! Make him stand up.
He's better than I ever was. Now, if Brenton's done making everyone click away, we're gonna put this in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes.
See you then. You better be there.
For 30 minutes. Alright. I'm just gonna put our Kringles in here. So now you're gonna let your Kringle cool for 30 minutes,
Get a good
and
look
you're gonna
at
make
that,
the
guys.
glaze.
Can you hear it? Can you hear it speaking to you?
So according to the people of Denmark, there's not enough sugar yet in these bad boys. So we're gonna make some glaze to drizzle over the top. We're gonna use 1 cup of confectioner's sugar, and we're gonna mix in water until it becomes almost a liquid, so that we can pour it on the top. Yeah, so it looks like it's gonna be about 2 tablespoons of water. So you get this nice thick mixture.
Wait, can I decorate the other one if you decorate that one?
Sure.
Okay.
Like, what are you gonna decorate it as?
I don't know. It's glorious.
So first impressions, most if not all of our filling came out.
Yeah, it's really just like a bit of the inside with some filling, right?
Yeah.
It's just like just
I think
slightly.
we
soaked.
definitely needed to make the inside part a lot wider.
Wider.
Well, yeah, to contain the filling.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Kringle, Krangle. Have you ever had Kringle, Dennis?
No, but this is good. Do you have an old family recipe you'd like to see us try? Comment below, and you could be in the next Vintage Viddle.
We do our best not to ruin it.